Hello, and welcome to eWay-CRM tutorial videos. Today, we'll show you the new integration with Microsoft Outlook Calendar. Meetings are an essential part of deals, projects, and client relationships. Thanks to the connection between eWay-CRM and your calendar, events are automatically saved into CRM and linked to relevant contacts, companies, deals, and projects. Your team gets the full picture, not only when the meeting takes place, but also with which client, to which project or deal it belongs, including previous communication. When you're unavailable, your colleagues have all the information in one place, so work doesn't stop. Your meetings also appear in the My Day panel on the eWay-CRM Online home screen. This way, you have your entire agenda at your fingertips. Let's take a look. First, go to Settings, where you'll find a new tab, Calendars. Connect your Microsoft 365 account and select which calendars you want to sync. Everything will then run automatically, and every event from Outlook will be saved in eWay-CRM linked to the correct item. We also recommend enabling the option Automatically Categorize Events Saved in eWay-CRM. In Outlook, you'll immediately see which event is already saved in eWay-CRM because it will have a different color. Another option is automatically link events based on email addresses in the event note. When you add an email address to the event note, eWay-CRM can automatically match the event to a contact, deal, or company. This is especially useful if you use integration with Microsoft Bookings or Calendly. When someone books a meeting with you through a form, Microsoft Bookings adds the email address to the note, and the event is then linked to the relevant items. And we recommend keeping this last setting turned off. This ensures that any event you mark as private will not be saved in eWay-CRM. Now let's see how to work with calendars in practice. In eWay-CRM Online, there's a new Calendar button. One click takes you to your Outlook. Let's create a meeting. I'll fill in the subject, invite other attendees, schedule the meeting, and click Send. The event is immediately saved in eWay-CRM, and in Outlook, it gets a category so I can see that gray events are saved in eWay-CRM and blue ones are only in my Outlook. I'll also see it on the Calendar tab on the contact. The event will also appear under the company the contact works for, and on my user card. You can link the meeting to other eWay-CRM items as well. This is done through the new Preview panel, which is part of eWay-CRM for Microsoft 365. If you don't have eWay-CRM for Microsoft 365 active in your Outlook yet, check out our first videos where we show you how to do it. Links are included below this video. Now back to the calendar. Open the meeting, click this button, and choose the eWay-CRM add-in from the menu. Here, I can already see the items linked to my event. With this button, I can assign the event to additional items. Here, I'm offered the project related to the meeting, so I'll select it and confirm. The project appears here immediately, and when I open it, I'll also see the event in the calendar. Of course, you can send the meeting invitation to the client as usual. And if the client sends you an event, eWay-CRM will match it. You can also create an event directly from eWay-CRM. In the New Item menu, there's now a calendar option that opens the web Outlook, and you can fill in the event right away. Alternatively, you can use new shortcuts in the toolbar. When I open the Preview panel, I see it here on the right among other action buttons. When I click on Calendar Event, the system offers me email addresses of people and companies linked to the project. I'll select Patty, and eWay-CRM generates an Outlook invitation for me Please note that a pairing link appears in the note, which tells eWay-CRM which item the event was created from. Thanks to this, every item is linked correctly after sending. It's that simple. Thanks to the integration with Outlook calendars, events from Outlook are saved into eWay-CRM without any extra work. And that's all for today. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget, be effective with eWay-CRM.